So aside from applying lip gloss on my lips constantly, what else do I know how to do? Patronizing my local skincare brands. So today I'll be unboxing some of the things I got from my local skincare brand. You know, I practice what I preach. I ordered few items, just like a few. Let's unbox it together. And I'll be giving you reasons why you should patronize your local skincare brand. Like a little. Wait, I think I am seeing something that I did not order. Was I giving somebody's order? Hold on. Guys, this doesn't look like skincare to me. Can you guys see it? This is looking like, guys, I didn't order anything about fun. I think this is a gift. Their lovely cards as always, telling you thank you for supporting their brands, their whatever. It's always very cute. I've got like two here from my previous order. So you know that I'm not joking. See, they care about their customers. Let's unbox this because I don't joke with gifts. Hold on. My goodness, this is a mini fan. Ooh! You know, isn't that this thing those brides normally hold on their wedding day and they're like, I just got it for free? Oh, I think this one is too, I love gifts and I love thoughtful gifts at that. Like one person gifted me silicone body scrub. Till date, I've not used it. I'm still trying to figure out what to use it for. It's not like I'm not appreciative of it. Of course, the intention to gift a customer, oh, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. But sometimes we need to be very, very thoughtful when we're trying to gift somebody. Anyways, let's go to the next item. This is the body lotion I use. I use the vitamin C. This one contains vitamin E. So that's why I normally buy. This one is very, very hydrating. So I normally buy this one like after using vitamin C for like 2 months, I buy this one again. It's just it does the same thing. This is a face toner. Hold on. Let me show you. It's a small size. It is normally called the travel size because it's portable to travel with. You get this is a mini size of this particular lotion. It has 400 ml, so you can buy the mini size to check what's up. Let me tell you the reasons why you should be patronizing your local skincare brand. When you use a local skincare brand, you get the same quality all the time. The consistency and quality, you get it. There is no room for fake or dupe. Yes, these products you see here, I can never buy fake of it because it's just a local skincare brand. It is not too big. It's not like they don't have branches in some places, but it is not very, very big. Do you understand? So this product, I can never buy fake of it. If I see it in any place, in any shop or any mall, I know that this brand supplied them. Do you understand? Unlike the popular skincare product that there is somebody in an uncompleted building formulating something we don't know to just put the label of that brand on it. Do you want me to say more? I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. So, my lovelies, please go patronize the local skincare brand today. I mean, now, right now. Okay? Bye.